Well guys, as you can hear, there's a lot of rain. You can also see it. So guys, what I'm here today for is I'm going to be warning you about possible flooding tomorrow, and also I will be telling you about a winter storm warning. So first things first, obviously, if you look in the video, you can see it is raining very, very hard. See there? And yesterday, the creeks in the area were already very, very high because of all the recent ice, and it's just been raining a lot lately. And it's been raining like this for hours and hours and hours now. Just like just pouring down rain. And if the creeks were already super high yesterday, then if it keeps raining like this, they're gonna keep rising. So that's a warning about the floods that are possible. And the last warning, the second warning, but it just happens to be the last, is that there's a possibility of snow tomorrow, but as you can see with all the rain, I'm guessing it's unlikely, because if there was snow, this would be like another winter storm Jupiter coming through. If all of this stuff became snow, it'd probably already be a couple feet deep. Now, of course, I'm just exaggerating. I bet you it wouldn't be a couple feet deep, but I mean, like, sorry, that's the cat on the door. But like, it would be a lot of snow if this turned to snow. So even if it is going to happen, let's hope that it doesn't have a lot of snow, because the schools have already got so many days off, they're probably going to have to start going into summer soon. And the warning also said it could be possible for snow on Monday as well. So it could be from like tomorrow afternoon to Monday in the morning, I think. So tomorrow, watch out for snow, and also watch out for flooding. And if it does snow, and then it rains and the snow all melts, then there's another possibility of flooding because of the combo of the melting snow and rain. So just be careful out there, guys. There's a lot of crazy weather happening lately. So yeah, that's all for now. Thank you guys for watching, and stay warm, stay hydrated, eat healthy. I don't know, but alright guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Oh dude, look at that.
Paved it, when you see the lines down it, they moved it over because of the mudslides.
See this one right here,
Right there.
Look at that. That is pretty gnarly. And look at over here. Woo! Jeez. That's pretty gnarly. Dang.